Okay, so this is a question that uses the rules of direct integration. So we are being asked to find the integral from 1 to 3 of 2 times f of x plus 5 dx. Well, we're integrating here a sum. So the thing we know about integrating sums is that we can integrate each part individually. So that means we can write that this is equal to the integral from 1 to 3 of 2 times f of x dx plus the integral from 1 to 3 of 5 dx. Now, on this first one, the integral of 2 times f of x, that's simply a constant times the integral of a function, so we can take the 2 outside. So if we want to, we can take the 2 outside, and that becomes 2 times the integral from 1 to 3 of f of x dx. Okay? Now, we can start integrating this one. If we integrate 5 with respect to x, we get 5x, and that's going to be from 1 to 3. Okay, so move on to the next line. So it's going to be 2 times this integral. But the thing we know about this integral, the integral of f of x dx from 1 to 3, because it's written in the question here, that integral is equal to negative 7. So that whole thing there is equal to negative 7. And then we have plus. Okay, so it's going to be 5 times the top number, 5 times 3, minus 5 times the bottom number, 5 times 1. And now it's just simply a matter of arithmetic, so that's going to be negative 14 plus 5 3s are 15, take away 5, so negative 14 plus 10, which is equal to negative 4. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, thanks for watching. That was a quick one.